Over the course of time, the majority of men have become soft and weak. They lack discipline, ambition, and so many. Here are 4 life lessons men learn too late in their life. 1. Consuming porn. With the rise of TikTok, OnlyFans, Instagram and the internet, men are always flooded with nudity images. They seek the easy way out and jerk off to these visuals. Yes, sex is nice, but I bet it will be more enjoyable with a partner. Men now lack discipline, ambition and the confidence to approach real women. Come on bro, you're better than this. 2. Testosterone is your superpower. It gives you muscle growth, confidence and strength. Now tell me who wouldn't want that? Testosterone levels have been dropping by 1% every year over the last few decades, and this proves why men have become mentally and physically weak. So, to fix this, here's a few things you can do. 1. Get sunlight for at least 10 minutes a day. 2. Engage in difficult and straining activities. 3. Eat foods rich in protein. 4. Get enough quality sleep. 3. Don't ignore your mental health. Many men are taught to not show emotion, but it does not mean don't seek help. When faced with difficulties mentally, it's best to drop the macho man act and seek help. You can get online therapy, talk to friends and family, or even practice meditation, journaling, and working out. 4. Stop seeking external validation. Yes, we all know that it feels great to be seen and applauded, but relying on it isn't a good thing. Rather seek internal validation. This is the acknowledgement and satisfaction you get from within just by knowing how great you are. So, chill out, you got this. Like, comment and subscribe for more. Until next time, cheers.